How to link Wise to Alrazi or SNB Bank. To link your Wise account to basically Alrazi or SNB Bank, normally on Wise, only some of the countries are accepted as a payment method. So if I open my Wise account, scroll down to payment methods, and I select connected bank accounts, and basically if I want to connect a bank account, only some of these countries are supported, and there isn't Saudi Arabia. But there is an indirect way to link it. So let's say you want to add money from your SNB bank or Alrazi bank, or you want to send money to SNB or Alrazi bank, tap on either the send money option, and under where do you want to send, I will simply select Saudi as the recipient country. When I've done that, I can simply enter the amount that I would like to send, let's say for example. Then I can tap on the add recipient button, where I can tap on the bank details, and I can simply enter the bank details of the Alrazi or SNB bank account if it is myself or if it is someone else right here. And these are indirect ways to link Wise to your Alrazi or SNB bank account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.